Well, I'm up and about early. It's the 28th of March. I'm on my first official day of lockdown. We've closed down our garage and business. All non-essential repairs. I'm just on emergency call out if necessary. I'm going to have my coffee. And then we'll try and find something to do with our day. Well, my first job, I'm going to tidy up my little workshop. Because it's like a bomb's hit it. Not as tidy as it normally is. Well, that's my little workshop tidy. Looks a lot better. Actually do something in here now.
What mess? Sorry, I was faffing.
Always faffing. We're doing one of our little essential trips out. We're going to go and see to Skye. With scruffy hair there.
Actually, look, it doesn't look too bad today. So it needs as it's looked all week. Come on, hurry up. Go.
We looked like we knew what we were doing, putting that hay away. Oh, we've only... Yeah, I've only done it once or twice. That's Lynn's exercise for the day. Standing there waving your hose around. Hey! Ah. Lynn's just been doing some shopping, haven't you, dear?
What?
You've just been doing some shopping, haven't you, dear?
Yes. There's no pay in there, actually.
Just taking Ruby out for a quick walk around the woods. Lovely and peaceful. You were making friends. Well, we've had a very busy day today. Going to put dinner in the oven in a minute. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all probably tomorrow.